Seatbelt. Safety first, kids. Hey, what up, everybody? It's your boy. Today we're gonna test out the new setup on the Z. I got it in my driveway because I drove the Lude down to the shop. That's why it's not in the driveway, but drove the Lude down to the shop, and the neighbors down there blast their music. I didn't want any copyright issues, so that's all right. We gotta go get gas in it anyway. But the dual calipers are on. Brake lines are done and bled. See if I can pop this up real quick one-handed. Come on. Got the brake lines ran. Took off the interior, ran it up under there. Got them cinched down. Took some silicone, some duct tape. I wrapped up the lines, got them nice and secure. They're not going anywhere. They clear the wheels so the lines aren't gonna get all chewed up. I do have mixed match rims on though right now because these are the only tires that I have that aren't actually like at the point of popping. I mean, they're not great, but they're not like ready to blow up on me yet. But I'm super happy with this car. I can't wait to get out there, and because the winter drift event's this Saturday, I haven't been able to test out the new setup yet because we've been getting a lot of rain and snow this winter. So this is the only day that's like somewhat dry and decent to do it. But I got the new JWT clutch and flywheel kit in, and the new JWT master slave cylinder, heavy duty slave cylinder in, and the hydro brake and a new shifter. Everything's ready to go. I might loosen this bolt because it's not returning as fast as I'd like it to. I might have it a little tight. Well, I don't know. It's the point of testing it out because I got, was it like 4 or 5 days till the event. But I'm also really, what I was saying though is I'm super happy with this car. Really glad I invested on the cooling kit, the radiator, the oil cooler, all that. Because I know these HRs are notorious for burning oil, and this thing is just solid. I just checked the oil level's still perfect. Both the advanced red line in it, everything, and it's just, temp is stable, man, does not budge. I love it. Like, I can burn through tires before this thing even gets hot. It's amazing. But let's go get some gas in this thing and let's test it out. Let's do this. I'm looking forward to it. All right, just got gas in the car. I ran into somebody I used to know there. He's asking me a bunch of questions about it, but it's kind of cool. Gotta put the gloves on because, that's synthetic. I don't want to oil it up with my hands. I want to keep it nice as I can, especially with the Chelsea Denova signature. But anyways, yeah, the winter drift event is this Saturday. We're on the kart track for my first time being out on the kart track. They only have so many events a year that they get to do on the kart track. Last year was the first time that UMC even allowed them out there, but I was only able to make it out to the last 2 events last year, so this will be my 3rd event. Really looking forward to it. Moment of truth, let's find out if this works. Otherwise I'm gonna be out in e-brake for the event because we kept the drum brakes on to keep the e-brake working, but they're slightly off. I don't know if they're gonna adjust, like self-adjust. I don't know how these work, but I mean, drum brakes were a new thing to me anyways, taking it apart and putting it together. But I don't know, man. Let's see what this new system's got, man. Moment of truth. New clutch is in, so I don't want to beat it up too hard because of all that. Oh man, I don't have any window fluid either. That just made it bad. Find out, man. Moment of truth. Looking forward to this. Hopefully it works. Windshield's all nasty now because I turned on my wipers. Didn't even think of that. I might have to go wipe them off. Who knows? I'm not gonna go too hard today because I don't want to beat up the new clutch yet. Oh man, I gotta pump it up. That's gonna be a problem. I don't know anything about this stuff. I mean, this is my first time building a hydro brake. I'll figure it out. Just gotta pump the system, I guess. I'm just glad it's working. Not as responsive as I was hoping it would be, but we'll see. just gotta hit it once. That should be good after that. I just gotta figure it out. It's different, man. I gotta learn because I was just ripping the e-brake. I mean, I do it in the S13, but that one's actually responsive, so I know I just gotta figure it out, I guess. I just gotta remember I gotta pump it one time and then it'll lock. I don't know if it's just because it needs to break in or what, but I mean, we bled both calipers till they were no air coming out, so it should be working. I don't know. Just gotta watch out for these other cars in the parking lot today. And I don't want to dump my clutch too hard either. Still breaking that in. I guess I could just send it, just keep replacing the clutch, but that's a pain. Yeah, so it's working. I just gotta, my fire extinguisher just came undone. I'll put that behind the seat real quick. I'll go clean out my windshield. Alright, I just went and wiped off my windshield with the rag. I can see again. So the clutch feels good. Putting the clutch in, letting it out after ripping the e-brake. The clutch is feeling pretty damn good. The only thing is you just gotta pump it once before you can actually hit it. But I don't know, man. I'll do some research. I'm kind of out of time. See if I can get that set up better for the future. Got my seatbelt. Safety first, kids. All my stuff's going flying. Yeah, she's working pretty good though. I mean, the car, I'm actually really happy with it. I just wish I didn't have to pump it once to hit it, and it's kind of so long that my shifter's in the way when it's in first, but other than that, pretty happy with it. See, I'm gonna set up the tripod real quick, get you guys some outside shots. But yeah, I'm looking forward to this weekend, man. I'm worried about it though, because since we've been getting a lot of snow and rain in Grantsville's right next to Salt Lake, they get the water effect, whatever you call it, so they've been getting dumped on pretty good. So then I talked to the guys and they said that it's not getting canceled. They're gonna run it rain or shine, so it doesn't, there might be snow on the track, I don't know. So it might be slow, it might be hectic, I don't know, man. It might be going off the track, whatever, but we're gonna send it. Hopefully it's a good time. I'm a little nervous, but I'm really looking forward to it. I'm not gonna miss it. It's gonna be awesome. Let's do it. Yeah, I'll set up a tripod mount and get some shots of this thing actually working. Hopefully you guys can hear me good because I don't have the mic on the camera, but I figured since the lude's down here, since I drove it down to this shop, I might as well just put it in the center here and do some donays around it. Let's get some shots of that, man. Let's do it. Oh man, we'll call that good for the day. That van up there, I don't know if they're customers to the bike shop or not, but they pulled out their phones, wanted to see a show, so I did one more loop. I got another angle for you guys too. Oh, I love this stuff. Really happy with this car. It does sound like there's a knock coming though. I don't understand that. I don't know what that is, but running fine, running good. So I mean, we'll see. So I think, real quick, I just pulled it over the shop to put it away. I think it has something to do with the new clutch. Because as soon as I put it in the gear, as soon as I put it in the clutch, that noise stops. I don't know if you guys can hear that because the mic's not on, but as soon as the clutch is out, the gear is out, it's in neutral. As soon as the clutch is out, it stops. I mean, it starts again. As soon as the clutch is in, gear's in, the sound stops. It's probably something to do with the new clutch, but it's running good, man. We'll send it, we'll blow it up, we'll do it again. All right, I got the car back in the shop, back on the lift. Unfortunately, I noticed while we were out drifting around having some fun, this thing is separated into two pieces. So I probably have to do some trimming again on this here soon. I can't even get it to pop back in. I'll figure that out. But anyways, I'll see you guys in just a sec. All right, well, hope you guys enjoyed that video. I didn't go too hard in the Z because, one, I'm just testing it out. I don't want to hurt it before the drift event in like 4 days. I'm out of time. Gotta take it easy because I don't have really any money. I'm just in between jobs again, still looking for another job, and just trying to do my best to keep this channel going and everything, keep the footy coming. I got no money for the event, and then I gotta figure out something to make the ice drifting in Idaho. Really want to make that happen. So I'm pretty sure that noise is coming from the clutch though, because as soon as I put it in the clutch or put it in gear, that noise stops. It's just when it's in neutral and the clutch is out. So something's weird with the clutch install. If you guys have any idea what that is, let me know so I can look into it and get it fixed. But got the lube back in the driveway. Like I said, I don't really have any money or any tires. This is my daily right now, but let's see if we can do a little smoky in this one, because I haven't got any footage of this on the channel yet, so might as well. Probably not the smartest thing, because you still need to work clutches are the strongest, and again, this is my daily, and I have money for new tires. So let's see what it's got. That was lame. Oh shit. Worked it up a little bit. I've never tried to do a standing still burnout of front wheel drive. The only time I ever had a front wheel drive was when I was 16. Well, I had a Tercel, but I beat the shit out of that. But yeah, I had the e-brake up. As soon as I tried to hit the front, the brake though, it just locked the front, so stopped it. So, I mean, it was worth it. It was worth a shot, man. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new to the content, don't forget to like, subscribe, content, all that. Subscribe, fuck, man. We start that over. If you're new to the content, you like the channel, you want to support your boy, like, subscribe, comment, all that. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you guys Saturday on the drift event.